Alrighty. Well, here is our funding bill to avoid government shutdown. Here you go. Why, thank you. I'm sure that we can avoid shutdown with this. Make poor people suffer. This is not a real plan. Yeah, well, if you don't vote for that bill, then the government will shut down and it'll be all your fault. So vote for that bill unless you hate America. Yeah, and unfortunately, no one really reads these bills, even though they're publicly available online. So, all right. Well, looks like you voted no. So the government shutdown is your fault, and I am done discussing this. Goodbye. I guess I'll just go to my second vacation home while the people that suffer from the government shutdown, just die.